Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is part 6 of the April 2024 STLs. We look at anime figures, video game figures, D&D figures, and Warhammer proxy figures, and other type of war tabletop gaming figures as well. If you do enjoy it, if you guys have it, subscribe, like, and share. Please do that. You do support our channel tremendously a lot. And check out our Patreon Discord as well. So we have Wild Mash. I think this is supposed to be a another proxy for Warhammer, another tabletop as well. So these look like more like Imperials for it. Let's see this downloads. There's more. I'm guessing this will be the cultist. If it loads. So yeah, this will more towards the cultist. I don't know why Patreon is doing this or against me. Let's see here. Well, remember the squirrel. Looks like elves. I use that for Age of Sigmar. An owl mount. That's basically what it looks like for that. Oh, you got that. Hydra Studios. I think is another anime figure, video game figure stuff as well. If it loads. Load, goddamn you, load. There we go. Another good anime ones. Discord Better Experience. This is from February. April. Regret to inform you, be pausing current pledge cycle, so no charge will be during April. So we're skipping this. So they're not doing it for 5 Victus, good D&D figure, and also Age of Sigmar figures as well for substitute. Long as I can find April. What do we got here? We got some, it looks like some militias. We have some adventurers. Looks like Triss and Gerald. And we have another militia over here as well. So I'm guessing they're mixing a little bit in with what you call it, Witcher into this. Looking like that. Well, yeah, that does look like Gerald. And that does look like Triss. So yeah, that's what you got for Via Victus. Moid, another person that we did actual painting for, one of our collaborators. Well, link down below for him. So you got the Voltan group for it. That looks really awesome and good. I only printed like 3 out of the remainder of them, but you could do other types for it. I also thought about doing hollow. I mean, not hollow, clear resin. Put LED up his butt and light it up like that, but it is something like that. But you know, you got a whole bunch of poses, heads, helmets, and different things as well. And he has the tank. If it comes out, that for us for the plasma one, but I'm probably gonna print multiple of his heads for it. That's in 6 millimeters. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. Because for some reason it won't load for me. Why, Patreon? Why you do this to me? I have 1 gig speed of internet. And you this is how you do repay me. Well, there we go. See, the tank that I painted was this plasma part. It comes in multiple ones, so it's actually pretty good. I had to size it up to the what I needed for my Blood Angels and hollow it inside for. That's 6 millimeters, but you gotta resize it yourself and hollow it out. GM stash for it. Here, the other good D&D type. There it is. Oh, yeah, we got a little griffin statue looking thing. Celebrating 2 years of DM Stash. Okay, welcome to DM Stash 26 model bonus. Don't need the books. I just want the models. So we got Master Sorcerer, and that's how I get off. Master Assassin, Anniversary Statue, Roland, Knight of Brett, Golden Griffin, High Elf Soldier, High Elf Soldiers, Saren, Master Assassin. Already looked at that. Vanguard Arcane Golem. I gotta print that in different color resin. Looks like it. Griff Rider, Clerk of the Arcane, Supreme Master of Poison Talons, Spellblade of Wrath, and Foot Soldiers. I've got Call of the Gods. And Champion of Radiant Dawn, Martial Vanguard, Berlim's Archers, Juvenile Mana Worm. That'll be good to have for a World of Warcraft setting campaign. Knight of the Breath and Spellblade of the Wraith. Okay. And I don't know what other bonuses you're gonna get, but Elves and Man for it, 2-year giveaway. But anyhow, what is that? First, name design stash. Verizon, getting giveaway, put a whole bunch of goodness supply when our digital. Keep an eye out for it. It'll be announcing in the next few days. Okay, I think it's like a painting contest for this. Highland Soldier, proxy for Age of Sigmar, and also for D&D minis as well. If you guys like that as well. For April release is the Grots or the Moon Goblin. So we have Moon Goblin Riders on frogs. I thought they were supposed to be on like squigs. That's supposed to be right on squigs. You got little fish folks. I gotta see how it is, but they also have their own setting for wargaming as well. For that warp miniature for D&D. This month we have a lot more sea things like gnolls and octopus spellcaster, a siren, crab folk, and I forgot one of those things are called a mantis shrimp. There you go. We got some mantis shrimp as well. Before this month. It'd be kind of cool going against a mantis shrimp and get hit by that speeding bubble for it. Okay, we got clay cyanide miniature, Kingdom of Persia. We have Mazda, Bork. I'm not gonna pronounce a lot of these things. I'm guessing they're mythical heroes and demons in the in Persia, or the gods or the gods and the devils over there. They do a lot of little mythics and gods and stuff like that as well. I have no idea about Persia's mythology, letting you guys know. But you guys can call it whatever you guys want during the game. It is a three-headed. There is a three-headed dragon in D&D that was in the magazine. It's supposed to be a sister of Tiamat with the other colors of the head, like orange, purple, and orange, purple, and pink. I believe was what it was. That'd be a good substitute for that right there. I don't know if they're doing other ones as well. Oh, poor. X3D Moon, another anime and Marvel DC style figures. For this is a Lightning Sword Whip. We have Valentine for forgot kind of game that she came from, but you got her for April, and you have Lightning that looks like it's coming out, not done yet, and Philo release as well for Metal Slug. Very fun game as well, and I think Lady. You get Lady too from Devil May Cry. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Ash doesn't like me having female figures in my own little room. They're all in the garage. collecting dust. Okay, Ink Man Minis. I think this is the last one for now. We have, this is May preview. Where is the April preview? March. Oh, we're not doing April? Oh, cool. Models for April, we're not. So taking the April off, but I did have a bunch of goodies for you all. Well, at least I had a bunch of cool surprises for April planned, but they were nabbed by that Nabbit from the series just up there, but it's not all bad because it seems to be a couple of things that snap. Okay, so this is gonna be the preview for May, and that'll be for next time for May when it ever happens. So anyhow, subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon Discord. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys like and don't like. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.